This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Today have a little problem with the Volkswagen Passat. I think this should be the same with some other car make and model. So, and the issue here is airbag. You can see the airbag light. I am not so much concerned about that EPC, but I'm feeling the signal already. So if you want to know about it, kindly drop me a comment about that, and I might give you some shots, some shot regarding that. So how do we fix this airbag thing? The first thing first, before you start revving your engine, before you start going to any mechanic, I want you to go ahead and follow me. So let's do the process and see if that is gonna get solved. So the first thing which I want to do here is I put the ignition on. You know, if the airbag light is not something that's supposed to actually come on and go off when the ignition is off, when the engine starts, so that's a sign of a problem right there. So the first thing I want to do, if I were you, want to follow me and solve it easy way, piece of cake, is first of all connect your OBD dongle, and the port is somewhere around here. Then when you get it connected, it has to be a good one, or you get OBD 11 at least. That's gonna solve the problem for the meantime. So we're gonna go ahead and select Volkswagen, search so it can be able to pair. So now it pairs, we take it up from there. Hurry, hurry. Let it connect and confirm it and read through the modules. Okay, it has connected, and these are all the modules. We've not seen the modules, but these are the things we need to look out for. So I want to go ahead and hit system selection and engine control module 1. So let us scan it, because it's actually oh, sorry, I made a mistake. It's not supposed to be found within the engine control module. So let's go back. Let's go back. It's supposed to be within airbag, and that's it, channel 15 right there. Hit it. Okay, it's communicating. I'll read this TC code. Okay, airbag, side, igniter. So now how do we solve this? That's a 0128218 upper limit exceeded. Sometimes it could be error code, random error code. Is specifically talking about the airbag igniter on the passenger side. So which is this guy right here? That is the only airbag on the passenger side there, or the one at the arm there. So the first thing you want to do, if you want to confirm if this is a serious case, is you go back and clear the error code. Before I clear it, still look at it again, it's still there. So go ahead and clear the fault code. Yes, triple yes, yes. And let's take a look at it again, and she's gone. If suppose it's not just an error code, it shouldn't go away, it should stay right there and keep looking at you. And here it says no fault. So we go back, let's hit the module, then problem solved. What about the EPC thing?